In this video, I'm going to show you how you change the battery in your Hyundai key fob if you've got a key that looks like this. This one is from a Hyundai Ioniq EV, but the same key is used on many other Hyundai models. This key fob takes a CR2032 coin battery, and I'll put links to various ones in the video description below. So what we've got to do is open this up. You don't need any tools for this job. So the first thing you do is remove the key blade by pushing down on that little button there, and then you can use the key blade in there to lever apart the two sides of the plastic case, and it's the back that you want to take off. So if you take the wrong side off, the circuit board will just drop down into the other half. And there's the battery, so we can push that out. You could use the key fob if you can't quite get your fingernail in there, and we can confirm that it's a CR2032, and you want the plus upwards, and this metal cage here has a plus on it as well, so that confirms which way the battery goes. So then take your new battery and simply slide that in. Put the two halves of the case back together, getting them the right way round. Just make sure that's all lined up and that little button pushes back through the case properly. And that's it. Put the key blade back in and put it back on your keyring. It's as simple as that. So when it comes to buying your replacement coin battery, don't be tempted by the really cheap ones. There'll be all sorts of unknown Chinese brands at ridiculously cheap prices. But as everything in life, you get what you pay for. A decent brand coin battery doesn't cost much money in the first place, so just get something decent like Duracell, Energizer, Varta, brands like that, because you'll often find with the cheap ones, they won't last very long at all, and you'll need to replace them 2 or 3 times more frequently than if you get a decent brand one, and these only cost £1 or £2 anyway. So don't skimp on the quality. And there's also lots of fake batteries online as well, so you have to be a bit careful. But anyway, I'll put links to various ones in the video description below. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, please do click the thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. The videos I make on this channel are primarily to help others and share knowledge. If you found a video helpful, please show your appreciation by at least clicking the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too, as does subscribing to the channel. All of this is free of charge. I do not use paid memberships or Patreon, which is how most YouTubers earn their money. I only earn from the YouTube ad commissions. But under every video on this channel is a super thanks button. So if you found a video particularly useful, or maybe it saved you money or time, then please consider a donation using the super thanks button. You could buy me a coffee, a pint, or contribute to the running cost of this channel. There's over 1100 videos on this channel now, so please have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists.